Thailand is determined to defend its sovereignty and territorial integrity, and therefore military measures must be taken as necessary to protect Thailand's sovereignty and territorial integrity. With the clash and, of course, the confrontation with Cambodian forces, Thai armed forces or the Thai army has, and currently up to date, the injuries and death on the Thai soldiers has been 1 death to Thai soldier and 29 injured. And of course, the Royal Thai Marine Corps has conducted, being the responsible agency in the area, has conducted. Thailand is determined to defend its sovereignty and territorial integrity, and therefore military measures must be taken as necessary to protect Thailand's sovereignty and territorial integrity. The media for now, and don't forget that we have another press conference due to take place at 1600 hours. Cambodia has violated the ceasefire agreements as well as the joint declaration signed by the 2 prime ministers of Cambodia and Thailand in October. And of course, with that violation, we have to resort and of course to suspend the suspension of the joint declaration. And of course, with all these violations that have resulted in the clash that has taken place in the past 2 days also. แล้วพบกันครับ สวัสดีครับ
អាជ្ញាធរខេត្តបានឲ្យដឹងថាការបាញ់ប្រហារមកលើជនស៊ីវិលកាលពីម្សិលមិញនេះរហូតមកដល់យប់ថ្ងៃទី9ខែធ្នូឆ្នាំ2025គិតនៅត្រឹមវេលាម៉ោង6ព្រឹកយើងឃើញថាមានផលប៉ះពាល់ទៅដល់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋស៊ីវិលធ្វើឲ្យបាត់បង់ជីវិតចំនួន7រូបនិងធ្វើឲ្យប្រជាពលរដ្ឋស៊ីវិលរងរបួសចំនួន20រូបក្រសួងការពារជាតិនិងកងយុទ្ធពលខេមរៈភូមិន្ទបន្តគោរពនិងអនុវត្តឥតងាយរេនៅក្នុងការសម្រេចចិត្តរបស់រាជរដ្ឋាភិបាលនៃព្រះរាជាណាចក្រកម្ពុជាក្នុងការដោះស្រាយបញ្ហាដោយសន្តិវិធីស្របតាមច្បាប់អន្តរជាតិដើម្បីការពារអធិបតេយ្យបូរណភាពទឹកដីព្រមទាំងសុខសុវត្ថិភាពរបស់ប្រជាជនកម្ពុជាទន្ទឹមនឹងនេះកម្ពុជាសូមអំពាវនាវឲ្យភាគីថៃវិលត្រឡប់មកអនុវត្តវិញនៅបទឈប់បាញ់និងសេចក្តីថ្លែងការណ៍រួមស្តីពីកិច្ចព្រមព្រៀងសន្តិភាពកម្ពុជាថៃដែលបានចុះហត្ថលេខាកាលពីថ្ងៃទី26ខែតុលាឆ្នាំ2025ក្រោមការធ្វើជាសាក្សីរបស់អាដាមប្រធានាធិបតីសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកដូណាល់ត្រាំនិងអាដាមនាយករដ្ឋមន្ត្រីម៉ាឡេស៊ីអាន់វ៉ាអ៊ីប្រាហ៊ីមដែលជាប្រធានបដូវវេនអាស៊ាន
ทางฝ่ายกัมพูชาเองเนี่ยได้เปิดพื้นที่การปะทะเพิ่มเติมอีกในหลายพื้นที่ด้วยกันในช่วงเช้ามืดนะครับได้แก่พื้นที่ช่องอานม้านะครับห้วยตามาเลียพื้นที่ปราสาทคณาพื้นที่ปราสาทตาควายนะครับแล้วก็ปราสาทตาเมืองนะครับซึ่งฝ่ายไทยก็ได้ดำเนินการตอบโต้นะตามแผนเผชิญเหตุนะครับโดยเน้นเป้าหมายทางทหารเป็นหลักนะครับที่โจมตีหรือกระทำต่อฝ่ายไทยนะครับเช่นฐานทหารสนับสนุนต่างๆรวมทั้งมีการประสานขอรับการสนับสนุนการใช้อากาศยานของกองทัพอากาศในการปล่อยนะครับอาวุธนะครับเพื่อยับยั้งการโจมตีของทหารกัมพูชานะครับซึ่งถือเป็นความจำเป็นในการป้องกันตนเองหลังพบว่าทางฝ่ายกัมพูชามีการใช้อาวุธยิงสนับสนุนต่อฝ่ายไทยอย่างต่อเนื่องครับ
សូមជម្រាបជូនផងដែរថានៅក្នុងហេតុការណ៍ខាងលើកងកម្លាំងកម្ពុជាមិនបានតបតឡើយដោយប្រកាន់ខ្ជាប់នៅបំផុតនៅការគោរពនិងការអនុវត្តបទឈប់បាញ់និងសេចក្តីថ្លែងការណ៍រួមស្តីពីកិច្ចព្រមព្រៀងសន្តិភាពរវាងកម្ពុជាថៃរួមទាំងគោលការណ៍ឯកភាពគ្នារវាងកម្ពុជានិងថៃដោយឈរលើមូលដ្ឋាននៃការដោះស្រាយរាល់បញ្ហាដោយសន្តិវិធីត្រឹមត្រូវនិងស្របតាមច្បាប់អន្តរជាតិក្រសួងការពារជាតិនៃព្រះរាជាណាចក្រកម្ពុជាសូមថ្កោលទោសយ៉ាងដាច់អហង្ការចំពោះទង្វើអមនុស្សធម៌ដ៏សាហាវឃោរឃៅក្នុងន័យនេះកម្ពុជាសូមអំពាវនាវឲ្យសហគមន៍អន្តរជាតិថ្កោលទោសយ៉ាងម៉ឺងម៉ាត់ចំពោះការរំលោភបំពានលើសេចក្តីថ្លែងការណ៍រួមស្តីពីកិច្ចព្រមព្រៀងសន្តិភាពរវាងកម្ពុជាថៃនិងសកម្មភាពខុសច្បាប់របស់ថៃម្ដងហើយម្ដងទៀតដោយទាមទារឲ្យថៃទទួលខុសត្រូវទាំងស្រុងចំពោះអំពើរំលោភបំពានដ៏កម្រនេះកម្ពុជាអំពាវនាវឲ្យភាគីថៃបញ្ឈប់ រាល់អំពើអរិភាពជាបន្ទាន់ដែលគំរាមកំហែងដល់សន្តិភាពស្ថិរភាពនៅក្នុងតំបន់
ครับตอนนี้ประชาชนจากในพื้นที่เนี่ยชายแดนนะครับไปทางไหนนี่ยังไม่รู้เลยเขาจะพาไปทางไหนก็ไม่รู้
Second, Thai government's objective is to protect our sovereignty and territorial integrity. Therefore, our military action will continue until such objective is achieved. Third, fourth, Thailand's position, including military action, will remain unchanged until Cambodia changes its stance and pursue path of peace.